Welcome to the first impression video of the most liked phone in the history of phones. Yes, I'm talking about the Google Pixel 4 and the 4 XL. And this is the video where we shall be talking about the good and the bad things of the Google Pixel 4, and this also goes for the 4 XL. Let's talk about the good things first. The Google Pixel has some high-end specs as any other flagship phone. It includes improved and real 3D face unlocking, and Google ditched any other way to unlock the phone other than the face unlock. That was a really bold move, and Google is confirmed that they shall be using a face unlock in their upcoming smartphones as well. They included the 90Hz display, which makes the overall phone very responsive and smoother. It has a new radar. Like anything we have seen, it can sense your motion when you're about to reach your phone to unlock it. The radar is also useful in things like snoozing or dismissing of alarms, or just general stuff like switching between pictures in gallery. It has a better pricing scheme, especially for the Plus variant priced at $899. And now let's talk about the bad stuff that came along the 4 and 4 XL. First really bad thing is the fact that the Google Pixel 4 and the 4 XL uses the Snapdragon 855 instead of the 855 Plus, which is a better and a newer variant, and it has a bit higher clock speeds and more efficiency, which is kind of disappointing. The second one must be the most disappointing of all, that Google did not include an ultra-wide sensor, but they instead opted for a telephoto. I mean, why Google? Third bad thing that happened is the fact that Google isn't promising the unlimited high quality storage of photos like the previous versions like the Pixel 3 or the 2. The last sad news is that the Pixel 4 has the base model, which has only 2700 mAh of battery, which is pretty low for just a flagship, and also the pricing is very non-appealing for that phone. So that was it for the good and bad, and every phone does have its good and bads, but overall you have to make a decision. What things do you prefer in a smartphone? Let me know in the comment section below. So that was all the goods and bads. This is Ulrtawide, and if you haven't done it yet, make sure to subscribe to me for more content like this. I'm signing out. Peace out.